Hi everyone, my name is Shannon Allen. I live in Raleigh, North Carolina, and my experience in the field is very brief. I didn't get any experience as a social worker previous to my first field placement that I just finished in April. My undergrad is in criminal justice, so my positions and everything I've done have to do with that field. For my first internship or field placement, I worked with an agency that provides housing to the homeless in my area near Raleigh. I worked with a lot of people who suffer from substance abuse issues, obviously homeless people, and a lot of veterans. I really enjoyed it, and I learned quite a lot. Some goals for developing into a better social worker for me in the future would be to learn to create boundaries. I do struggle with that. I find myself as kind of a people pleaser, and I'll put too much on my plate because I don't really like to say no. It's hard for me to say no. So I'll be like, yeah, I can do that, and just have too much on my plate and then completely freak out or break down. So that's definitely something I need to work on, a goal for me to develop. Um, I can't really think of any opportunities that I foresee in my future in regards to social work. To be honest, I'm still working in the criminal justice field. I have been looking for something like full time as a social worker, but it's very hard to find something without having your master's or having any experience. And so, yeah, it's just a little bit of a struggle. I'm not saying that I don't see myself becoming a social worker because obviously that's what I'm going to school for, but I guess I haven't really thought about any opportunities as of right now. I do know a few people. I've got a few friends who had a difficult time finding a job with just a master's in social work. They struggled until they had their LCSW, which is 3,000 hours anyways. So I'm a little nervous, I guess, as to what's going to come after this. So I guess that would be opportunity slash challenge. So yeah, if you guys have any advice for me or have any comments, just comment and let me know. But I look forward to working with all of you this semester and in future classes. And I wish you all the best of luck. Thanks.